Facebook new update calls option. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, what you need to simply do is just go to your Facebook application and launch it and then search for the person over here that you'd want to call. Now if you're not even friends with that person, then you might even get the access to call them, which is a new feature. So just search for any of this person and then tap on the three dotted lines, and here you'll be able to see the option. But right now, as you can see on the screen, there's no such option. So let's just go to the Play Store application and check if we have the latest version of the Facebook application. So launch the Play Store application, tap on the search bar and search for Facebook. Now as you can see, there is no option of update over here, which means we have the latest version of the application, but this means that we do not have this feature as of now. So that's it. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.